Hey everyone, Merry Christmas, alright? I can't, it's been an insane year, right? It's been an insane year with a lot of ups and downs, right? Our account is going up and down, right? Mostly up, but there's been downs as well, alright? And I appreciate you guys being here along with me in the stock estate on this journey with me, alright? Now we're on our way to 1.5k, alright? And yeah, I look forward to seeing every one of you again in the comment sections below. So, first, let's go over a recap for last week's picks, right? So last week we were doing our stock BJ, alright, wholesale goods, and this company I have actually sold a vertical spread on. This company right here, okay, BJ, alright. Recently, alright, I sold a vertical spread with the put spread, alright, below the $62, and I bought in around at the money, I sold at the money put at $65. So, okay, the put spread hasn't really been moving, alright, and I also entered some stock positions, alright, at my entry price right here, at a good price at $63.80, and right now it's just slightly in the red, alright, closed for the week. I'm still holding the shares true, alright, after taking some profits, alright, from another play that I called out last week. So this company, TMST, was a company that I called out, alright, some time ago, last week, alright, if you look at my previous video with the words TMST hugely there, alright, again, we didn't enter because there was some uncertainty, but as soon as I saw this big massive green candle, alright, I said that it could be a potential play again, and I did enter a smaller position, not my usual position size, around half the position size, because I had some allocated to a BJ as well as the options play. So this turned out pretty well for us, right? Closed up massively to all the way from around $14 to around $16. A huge percentage gain for us, all right? And a good Merry Christmas gift for gains as well. So TMST, for those of you who have made profits, all right, great job on that, all right? And good risk management if you manage to put your stop losses in place, all right? And keep your risk managed on, because if you don't risk manage, right, that's the way you're going to blow your account, all right? And that's not the way we want to slowly but surely build our swing trade account along with our long-term investment portfolio. All right, let's go on to the top swing trade pick for this coming week, and that is XLNX, right? Semiconductor play. Before I move on to that, let me just give you some of the quick little overview of last week of December. So basically, this is one of the, I would say, this is not really a trading plan per se. My trading plan has even more detailed information. But again, I want you to craft your own trading plan, right? I want you to train yourself to craft your own trading plan, right? Because only by writing it down yourself, right, you will be able to, internalize what numbers you're going to put down. You can memorize the stop losses, memorize the target price, and then you'll be a better swing trader. Because if I give you the actual trading plan, you're probably just going to refer back to the video and you're just going to just look at it. And it's not going to be as effective, all right? Trust me on this, because I have been there, right? Following people's, their alerts, whatever, all right? We're going to look at their numbers, right? But you can't really internalize it unless you write it down, their own trading plan, and that would help you massively, all right? So last week of December, I find that there's a lot of companies right here: XLNX, Tesla, Wire. All 5 of these companies have good potential. But the key here to look for is a weak pullback before buying, right? Then you want to set the stop loss below the previous swing low, all right? And if you want to sell options, you want to enter now when there is high volatility, right? When now there's a huge push upwards, or sell a vertical spread to hedge the downside with 1 month expiry, preferably for my own preference, right? So for those of you who are able to do options, right, you also can try for a bearish vertical spread, right, when you see a setup failure, right? So sometimes it's good to do the short side because it helps you to stay unbiased and see the picture from both sides, right? Okay, so let's go on to the charts right here, a quick one, all right, before we end off the video, this short Christmas video. Right here, okay, this chart is, for example, XLNX, right? Looking at the long-term chart, definitely bullish sentiment, very bullish sentiment, following the trend very strongly, all right? Recently, trend has broken in a sense, but hits the moving average and bam, to the upside once again. And what we want to see for the coming days, right, or coming months, right, is the weak pullback. It pulls back, but it stays preferably above preferably 209 or 210, all right? It stays roughly around here. I don't want to see a huge, massive move, right, that goes back to the downside over here, okay? And resumes this downtrend, right? It starts to go down like this, okay? This is not the sign they want to do, right? Okay, let me just remove those. Okay, so what we want to do is weak pullback, all right, all the way here. Okay, weak pullback all the way here, all right, and stays above this level, right? Okay, and this stays above this level after we have gone in. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit, making it a little bit bigger so that we can see, right? Okay, let's bring it out. Okay, more of the trade plan itself, right? We definitely want to enter after a pullback, a very weak pullback down here, sustain in this range, right? Buy in the lower of the range, right? Put your stop loss right below the previous swing low over here, okay, which is around 8%, all right? 8% loss, all right? And your profit taking area will be somewhere near the highs over here. All right, or you can do a trailing stop loss, all right? And the trailing stop loss will definitely help you in helping you ride the trend. Okay, as for example here, right? If you have sold at the highs over here at 160 when you swung it from 150 to 160, all right, you might have regretted it a lot because it has gone on to rally this massive move upwards to $233 because the trend is its friend, right? And the trend often comes when, you know, there's a lot of congestion, right? You see this congestion, this range for a long time, then it starts to break out massively. All right, so in this kind of environment, right, where there is a lot of volatility coming in, all right, you must take advantage of these trending moves that comes along. So again, we might want to place a trading stop loss if you see a good potential for a trail to the upside. And I can see a good potential for a long-term trend going upwards since it reaches this moving average over here, the 50 moving average, bounce and continue the upward trend. So that is basically the move we're going to make for this coming week for XLNX. All right, for options trading as well, you want to do roughly the same thing. All right, options trading, you might want to sell at the money around here, bearish put spread around here. All right, and it's a little bit different. It's a little bit different from the actual playing the security itself, the stock itself. Options, you for those of you who are more advanced, you understand what I'm saying, which is to sell a vertical put spread. All right, your risk reward is around 1-to-1. All right, but if the startup is good quality companies underlying, XLNX has pretty good fundamentals. All right, you should be have a higher percentage win rate than average, and that helps to give you an edge, and that will help you to maximize the amount of profits you will get because you are having a higher win rate, although your risk to reward is actually 1:1. All right, as well as data decay is helping in your favor. All right, so that's it for today's video, everyone. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the thumbs up button. All right, give this video some love. All right, and yeah, Merry Christmas, everyone. All right, and the New Year's coming. All right, let's hope for a wonderful 2022, and our portfolios go up to 7 million times or something. All right, see you in the next one, everyone. Stock to stay up.